ごください。感染症予防のため、車内ではマスクを着用いただき、大きな声での会話や飲食はお控えいただきますようご協力をお願いいたします。これより先は自動音声でご案内をさせていただきます。ありがとうございました。
Yeah. Well, finally, I reach where I want to reach. Oh, let me see. Gotta find myself at 57. Yeah. And it's 51 over there. So I'm supposed to count in. Oh, yeah. 56 right there. So 57 somewhere around here. Yeah. Oh, let me see now. Okay. 55. 54. Okay, I saw 57. Way down at the bottom. Definitely saw. Oh damn, man. Yeah. Okay. Been a while I don't pass through Narita. Definitely. I need to charge up my phone too. Yeah. So let me see. So I'm really gonna get myself down there nearby. I just wanna find it and then I'm okay. Okay, let me see what's happening right here. Okay. Yeah. I saw 57 A down there. Okay, cool. Yeah. Saw it way down there. So it's all good. It's all good. This is in Mexico City. Yeah. Welcome my people. Yeah, you know, that's my travel through my trip. Been a while to Jamaica, and as you can see, I'm just strolling through Mexico airport. That airport situated in the middle of the city, you know what I mean? And I'm just exhausted. just come off, I should say, 14-hour flight from Tokyo, and on my way to Jamaica, and from Mexico, I'm gonna go to Panama. So I'm just here, just you know, going through. Really wanna sleep, eat some good food as well, apart from the meal on the flight from Tokyo. But it's all good. Happy to reach safe in Mexico City. So everybody just sitting down, just waiting, and a lot of people, I think, they're waiting for a while. I see people sleeping there, but I really want to reach my destination before I do any sleeping. Yeah, and just here, just focusing on my destination, most likely, and just getting myself together. Yeah, so that is it. And as you can see, a lot of things in this place. So much things to selling and all of that. Yeah. Anyway, just keep watching, and see my travel to JA. So I'm saying, yeah. Yes, yes. And I should say this is my first time traveling through this place, and a matter of fact, my first time being to Mexico, and definitely I would like to move around and these things, but there was no time to even to buy one of these glasses right here. So many different stuff around, and as me looking in this spot as well, like just showing scenery for me. Because was a hectic schedule for me to moving and showing some these views. Yeah, and things are really cheap for real in Mexico, and I don't even know the money that much, like the value, but I've been to spot to eat something and get to figure out and try to understand their currency. Yeah, but but I would like to. I love traveling, definitely I love traveling, and to being and living in like this country, Japan, and really moving. I think traveling is you know is a great thing, is a huge thing. I gotta travel from plan A to plan B, and it's been like not easy. These glass are tough. Look at this glass. Wow. They're not expensive either. Yeah, my people. This is the Mexico airport, right in the middle of the city. Yeah, for real. Yeah, I wanna get a little bit outside. So what's happening? It's a little bit, because all I'm thinking about just my next move to Panama, and then from Panama to Jamaica. Yeah, I would give you a little bit more like in the outside here, but my brain was focusing on my journey more than even to give you some videos for real. So let's putting together this video for everyone can, and for myself too. Yeah. Well, this is it. You know what I mean? Mexico. Yep. Yeah, so hope you can enjoy this video, and just simple, just enjoy it, now on the way. Yes, my people. Now I'm on the way to Jamaica right now. As you can see, you know, on the flight, get a perfect window seat so I could capture outside along with the engine. Yes, so it's you know I know about maybe I guess about 2 hour and something, I guess, like from Mexico to, no, not from Mexico, sorry, from Panama to Jamaica. So I'm on the way, my people. Soon gonna be touching down in some time, because it's not far from Jamaica, and at the same time as Jamaica, Panama, also Mexico. So I'm just on the way, my people, for real. Well, this is Ticarus, definitely heading out of Japan, straight to Jamaica, and I have to go through so many movements to reach there. But I'm just grateful and happy enough to know, say, yeah, I reach safe and sound. So minutes gonna be touching down. Yeah, yes, my people. So yeah, let's keep watching and let's enjoy this trip. Yeah.